Well, welcome back to Channel On. As you can see, we got a little water problem going on here. The missus was watering her garden and the hose just kind of erupted. So I'm going to show you real quickly on how to patch that just using a simple coupling. Let's get started.
Okay, so you're going to need to cut the old part out, and you can use a utility knife. I'm just going to use my PEX cutter. I'm going to go ahead and go back there a little ways, and I'm going to cut that out of there, nice clean cut. Do the same thing here. So go ahead and get rid of that, and now we have a nice clean cut for our adapter. Now you're probably going to be using a new adapter, or if you're like me and you're scrounging around your junk box and you happen to save everything, then just go ahead and take the one you have and prep it to get it ready to put the new hose on, or the new coupling onto your new hose. If you're using an old coupling, you're going to need to cut the old hose off the coupling. If you've got a new coupling, you don't have to worry about this. Skip this step. Alright, so with your new coupling that you bought, you're going to end up with the two side pieces and the screws, and that's all you need to do is force that on there, like that. Should look like that. The same thing the other side. There you go. And now all you need to do is take the two pieces that we took off and screw those right back on. And what that'll do is that'll snug itself right around that coupling that we just put in and keep it from leaking. And there it is, brand new hose. Well, I wouldn't say brand new hose, but we have a hose that's all set to go. Let's go ahead and turn it on and make sure it's not going to leak.
Well, okay, well there it is, all patched up, just like new. If you go out and pick one of these up at Lowe's, or if you get them online, pick yourself up an extra one, because you never know when you're going to need it. Right in the middle of a big project of like watering your garden, this goes, you want to be prepared. I hope this helps you with your hose problems, and we'll see you on the next one.